In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate WhatsApp with Shopify to enhance your customer communication experience. By doing so, you'll open up a new world of possibilities for engaging with your customers through automated messages, chatbots, and more directly within your Shopify store's CRM or support framework. First, let's discuss how you can get a WhatsApp Business API account. This is crucial because it grants you access to advanced features like automated messaging, which is pivotal for effective communication. To begin, you'll need to apply for access through a solution provider such as Heltar or Zoco. These platforms will guide you through the process. Additionally, setting up a WhatsApp business account is important, and you'll have to verify your business details to ensure everything aligns with your brand. Once you have your API account, the next step is choosing an integration method that suits your needs. You have two main options here: third-party apps or custom development. Third-party apps like Zoco significantly simplify the integration process. They come with features like abandoned cart recovery and automated order updates, which can greatly enhance your customer service. On the other hand, if you have the technical know-how, you might consider venturing into a custom integration using the WhatsApp Business API client library, giving you more control over the process. Now, let's delve into how you can integrate this with your Shopify store. First, you'll want to install your chosen app by downloading it from the Shopify App Store and following the installation instructions provided. Easy as that. Next, you'll want to configure automated messages for essential notifications such as order confirmations, shipping updates, and more. Think of this as setting up your virtual assistant that handles repetitive tasks. To further engage your customers, incorporate WhatsApp chat buttons or widgets on your store. This simple addition invites customers to start a conversation with you, making it easier for them to reach out. And of course, it's important to set up webhooks, which allow you to receive customer messages and queries directly within your Shopify system, streamlining your support processes. Customization and optimization of your integration are key to standing out. Customize your chat widget to mirror your store's aesthetics, keeping your brand consistent. Implementing chatbots can be a game changer too. They manage common customer queries, freeing up your support team for more complex issues. To gauge the success of your WhatsApp campaigns, use tools like Google Ads integration to track conversions. This data will inform your strategy moving forward. The benefits of integrating WhatsApp into your Shopify store are numerous. It enhances customer communication by providing real-time support and updates through a familiar platform, thus increasing customer engagement with simple, accessible WhatsApp chat options. Moreover, automating repetitive tasks boosts your efficiency, while strategic promotions can lead to significantly boosted sales. And there you have it, a clear pathway to integrate WhatsApp with Shopify effectively, creating a more dynamic and engaged relationship with your customers.